In front of me is Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to create a new note on the following device. So at first you have to open Notes, tap on Continue, and here smoothly by tapping on this switcher, which is for new note, you can create brand new note. So you can create some table if you want to. You can add some photo by tapping here. You can choose photo or video, you can take it right now, or you can scan documents. So let me choose something from my gallery. If only there is something, but I do believe that we have something. Maybe not, so let me just grab a photo. Now use photo, as you can see, it is entered here. You can also create a checklist. And then you will be able to mark those which are done. Also, you can write smoothly by pen. Here, just mark pen. Here you can select the particular one and also the color. Obviously, you can choose spectrum and sliders. And now you can smoothly use, for example, this shape. So you can smoothly write here. You can remove it, and let me pick another pencil. One more time, another. Sorry for that, we have to be a bit smoother. And this is it. Tap on done to save it, and here you've got the note. Now you can smoothly open it, and everything included here is right in front of you. And obviously you can change it whenever you want to. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.